All right, welcome to Mechanic. We have our 2013 Tesla Model S here. Going to install our headlight housing if you needed to remove it to replace it, or if you removed it to be able to replace the HID light bulb inside there to make it a little easier. So to be able to replace our housing, an easy way is because we have to get this lip under that fender there. Is you kind of feed it in like this and up at a little of an angle. That way it slides over, and then this front side is able to slide into the hole there. Cavity. And then we can slide it over, and that way we don't break anything of the push tabs and the clips that hold this into place. Now there are some little guide pins that hold this in on this side, as well as this one here too, right there. So it's just a matter of getting them all lined up at the same time. All right, there we go. So they're lined up in there, holding it into place with my hand. Putting the top number 8mm screw / bolt in, and then be able to get this one in, snug it up between that, just so the alignment doesn't come out. And then we have our 8mm here. And there. Like I said, there is an 8mm that goes here, but the bracket that holds this is broken, so don't need to worry about that on this particular one. But on yours, if it's not broken, you'll want to tighten that 8mm there. Now, don't forget to reconnect your electric connection back here. And that's just lining it up, pulling it straight forward until it clips, and that would be the install of your headlight housing. And now you'd be ready to put your front bumper back on if that's all the work that you needed to do behind here. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.